How to prepare the perfect cup of coffee, even if you love milk and fancy designs. You take a dramatic sip of black coffee, then immediately switch to a milky latte with a fancy design. Ah, the great coffee divide. Some like it black, strong and intense. Others, they want it creamy, dreamy, and Instagram-worthy. No judgment here. Today, we're covering how to make the perfect cup of coffee. Whether you're a hardcore espresso lover or a hold the coffee, just give me milk and sugar kind of person. Plus, I'll teach you how to make those fancy latte art designs that'll make your friends think you're a secret barista. 1. Milk matters more than you think. If you're a white coffee person, your milk game needs to be strong. Not all milk is created equal. Whole milk, creamy and sweet. Oat milk, silky with a hint of nuttiness. Skim milk. Why? Just kidding. Kinda. But here's the secret. Heat your milk to 150 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 65 to 68 degrees Celsius. Any hotter, and it scorches. Any colder, and it's sad, lukewarm disappointment. 2. Froth like a pro, even without a fancy machine. No espresso machine, no problem. You can froth milk with a French press. Yes, really. Just heat your milk, pour it in, pump the plunger up and down like your life depends on it, and boom, foamy goodness. Or, if you're lazy, no shame, shake warm milk in a mason jar like a bartender making a cocktail. Microwave it for 30 seconds to stabilize the foam. Barista hack. Achieved. 3. The sugar trap, and how to escape it. If your coffee tastes bitter and you dump in 5 sugar cubes to fix it, stop. The problem isn't the coffee, it's the brew. A well-made coffee shouldn't need sugar to be enjoyable. But if you must sweeten, try cinnamon, vanilla extract, or a pinch of salt to enhance flavor without overpowering it. Yes, salt. It cuts bitterness. Trust me. 4. Latte art for beginners, no talent required. Want to impress your crush with a heart or tulip in their coffee? Here's the cheat code. 1. Pour steamed milk into espresso at a slight height to mix. 2. Lower the pitcher super close to the cup. 3. Wiggle gently for a rosetta, or just pour straight through for a heart. 4. If it looks like a blob, call it abstract art and pretend it's intentional. 5. The mug trick that makes every coffee look fancy. Here's a sneaky trick dusting. Cocoa powder, cinnamon, or even edible glitter go wild. Can make any coffee look like $1,000,000. Use a stencil or just freehand it. Pro tip. A tiny sieve, or even a folded napkin with holes poked in it, works as a DIY shaker. So there you have it. Whether you like your coffee black as midnight or milky as a cloud, now you can make it perfect. And if you master latte art, well, you're basically a coffee wizard. Bonus tip. If you attempt a fancy latte art design and fail, quickly drink it before anyone notices. Cheers. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing hacks. Now go forth and brew with confidence. This is randomly spectacular. Comment below on how you like your coffee.